Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Queen, and I am here with my another video, and this video is about some mixed type of heel and really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty with your every kind of outfit, like it's Eastern or it's Western. It looks really beautiful with both and enhanced your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And as you see, this black color heel also looks really nice, a very beautiful block heel that looks really nice and amazing. And this one is also a very nice blue color. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful and pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful beige color heel that looks really nice and amazing. And this one is also a very beautiful design and really unique kind of design on the top, and the color also looks really pretty. And this one is also a very beautiful pink color, and the shade of pink, it looks really nice. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of combination, and a very nice golden and black color. And as you know, heel can give you a temporary height boost that can help you to look taller than your actual height and makes you more pretty and more confident. And as you see, this one is also a very nice heel and a very beautiful heel. And this one is also a very pretty black color and the block heel. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end. See you in the next YouTube video.